And this is how clean the nut should come out. You can see the lacquer protruding over the edge and up from the bottom of the floor. Very carefully, I work towards the center of the nut and then level that lacquer flush. And that's what we want to end up with. Nice square 90-degree, no lumber, right on the glue line. The compensated nut is done. It has been regulated, intonated with it. So you saw the tuning with the original nut, okay? And this is with the compensated nut. B string. And finally the high E. All those first position chords perfectly in tune. I'm not saying you're going to do a bluegrass gig on a Les Paul, but you could. That's the point. And here we go one more time. We're going to take care of this high spot. Boy, you know, that CNC machine is the best thing that ever happened for us. I've got level 1 students out there correcting, just like this, what the supposedly infallible CNC machine missed. Okay, I want to bring you in close here. The pickup ring is actually higher than the pickup. I have a spherical sander that I designed for this purpose. So I'll need to skim down the bottom of both of these rings to get it so that at least the pickups are flush with the top surface of the ring, if not slightly proud, as they should. The other thing is 4 of these 6 saddles needed to be flipped 180 in order for this guitar to be in tune. It will be nothing short of perfect when Brandon gets it back. End to end, chord to chord, fret to fret, string to string. Perfectly in tune. Okay, this is for all you Patreon guys. This is the sander that I'm using to sand this ring down. I've kind of marked it with some masking tape just to act as a guideline. So the sander is controlled by a foot switch and it turns slowly, about the speed of a potter's wheel. So I can gradually just sort of grind that down. Kind of check it as I go. I'm going to show you just how tight that fit is. Absolutely zero play. And that is how solid the bridge should be. No more clicking, no more ticking. We got that high spot. Now we'll be able to drop that action down wherever Brandon wants it. For my customers that are shipping stuff up from California, New York, Pennsylvania, or driving 1,000 miles round trip, it'll never be better than the day I hand it back. And I thank you for that. Well, it's a very subtle difference, but those pickups are actually slightly proud now. And Brandon doesn't have to worry about the strings now rattling against the plastic ring. So now the frets, the bridge, the tailpiece, the pickups, the pickup rings, and the compensated nut are done. Okay, so this is Steve's guitar, and it was sent up for neck surgery. The headstock broke right off. And it also has a compensated nut, but it's set up for 9 to 46 strings. I'm going to bring you in for a closer look in a second, but let's just verify this. This is moment of truth. So 6 string. low 12th fret, open string. And lastly, 7th fret and corresponding 19th. Alright, that's it. Both these Les Pauls are done. Now, I want to bring you in close because you'll see that on this 9 to 46 set there are negative values to get this thing to behave. You can see that this is quite a different story with the 10 to 46. Same scale length, different set of strings. So it is a moving target, and that's why you can't just buy a little peel and stick nut and put it on and hope you're going to be in tune. I take a full day plus to get these guitars to be that accurate. So there are multiple things to take into account to get a guitar to regulate and tune this accurately. String to string, fret to fret, chord to chord. Both of these Les Pauls are perfectly in tune. Over and out.